Hi y'all, this is Max from HighOnAndroid. I'm wearing my free shirt I got from Expo, springnote.com, check it out. It's an online note based on the wiki that lets you, make online notes. Cheers. Anyway, I just got back, I had to take a nap, big long nap. I was so tired from the last 2 days, vlogging, walking around and everything. I'm not used to doing that. I'm used to more sitting on my ass and programming all day. Cheers. Anyway, the big news is that my special steak, Max's steak sauce, will be revealed at the end of the video. So you better watch and you'll learn how to make our new beta tested steak sauce. That's right. So today I'm going to tell you a recap of what I've learned through Web 2.0 Expo this week and how it will change side hopping, right? Basically, I saw a lot of new Web 2.0 companies like SpringNote. Everybody's using Wiki. You know, people say that Web 3.0 will be semantic web. What exactly is that? Well, semantic web is, it's basically a wiki. Let me get a new pen. It's basically a wiki with semantics, So that's what it is. What's semantics? Okay, here we go. So let me tell you about Web 3.0, what people are talking about. So what is semantic web? It's basically a wiki that's, user friendly. In the past, in the web 2.0 world over here, we had wiki, but even Wikipedia, you need to know wiki markup language, right? So what is wiki user friendly? Basically, you don't need markup language. You can edit every page like a doc file or WordPress, and at the Web 2.0 Expo, every company that had wiki technology in their site, including SpringNote, right, which I got free shirt from, they use this semantic web technology. And it's wiki based, It's basically wiki, but, it's easy to edit. And to the user, you don't know that it's a wiki. You simply know that it's a site, that you can, do stuff. And that's the same thing with, side hopping. It is a wiki. A lot of people don't realize it. It's a wiki site. You can edit it using wiki markup. So what we're going to do is, let you edit it like SpringNote, Basically, that's, the trend of Web 3.0, and that's the slow growth of wikis. And, blogs are probably going like this. Wikis are still here, and they're about to go like this, and all these Web 2.0 companies are using wikis. They're actually just making it easy to use, and that's Web 3.0, because power of the wiki is way greater than power of a blog, because it's built for mass collaboration. And you look back to the days of Linux servers, right? Why is over 50% of web servers in the world use Linux servers? Why? Because Linux was built for mass users and networking, whereas Windows was built initially for single users, and then they try to convert it into a mass user system. And look at how many ASP servers out there. Not that many. Over in Asia they use it a lot, but in general, most are Linux or Unix servers, over 50%. So how does this, relate to wikis and blogs? Okay, so blogs are they're really made for single users, or multi-users, whereas wikis are made for, you know, mass people, you know, mass collaboration. All these people can edit the pages. The only thing with wikis, it's not developed, just like Linux was, you know, when it started out, you know, maybe like 10 years ago, you know, it was just an open source thing. And wiki is still like kind of open source thing. I mean, there's a lot of wiki technology out there, but it's not what type of wiki software you use. It's you know, it's how user friendly you make it. You know, you gotta get rid of the wiki markup because, you know, it's too hard. It's just a layer on top of HTML, and it's another thing the user has to learn. So we need to get to, you know, the doc format or the WordPress format where people can, you know, easily edit it. So that's what we're gonna do to SideHoppin also, but first we're gonna have the SideHoppin toolbar. But I'm just telling you, that's what I learned at the Web 2.0 Expo, and I was surprised at the number of, you know, wiki sites that are out there. You know, all these people are building enterprise wikis for companies, large organizations, to get rid of email and, you know, documents, and they're using just one single wiki. You know, how cool is that, right? But we're using wikis, so we can take advantage of that technology. And you know, well, let me release the SideHoppin toolbar pretty soon this week, and I got a lot of stuff to do, but I'm gonna go work out later. And let's cheers to, well, we're getting too serious here, right? Well, you know, we're eventually gonna set up a booth at like Web 2.0 conference, maybe next year in San Fran, with a big ass large screen. And actually, we're gonna have a bunch of LCDs and all these, you know, autoplay, you know, watch the web, and, you know, that's our plan. So go buy beer stocks. So we have enough investment so we can hire people. Well, not exactly hire people, but we have enough funds to go to shows, you know, and you can always donate me soju. Alright, cheers.